Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to take you on a tour of an impressive line of fifth wheel toy haulers, the Keystone Fuzion. The Fuzion line comes in 8 different floor plans, which run in length from 39 feet to 44 feet. In unloaded weight, they hit the scales from just under 13,300 pounds up to nearly 16,000 pounds. They are capable of carrying from 2,800 pounds all the way up to a bit over 4,200 pounds in cargo carrying capacity. The 8 Keystone Fuzion floor plans all make their living area and master bedroom spacious by having slide outs. Most of them have 3 slides and all have a minimum of 2. All Fuzions also have a large master bedroom with walk-around residential queen bed, wardrobe slide, and private access to the bathroom. Most of them, with one exception I'll explain later, have direct access to the garage area via an entry from the exterior, as well as a rear ramp door that converts into patio space. First up is the Fuzion 357. In the 357, you'll find 13 feet of enclosed garage space and enough sleeping space to sleep 8, including a twin loft above a washer-dryer prep in the garage. The living area, which is sealed off from the garage by a sliding door, contains opposing slides. On the camp side, a large sofa is pulled out, while the opposite slide holds the fridge and range. In between sits a kitchen island with a large sink and counter. The 357 also has a unique swiveling entertainment center that exposes a hidden pantry. Next up is one of the most popular Fuzions, the Fuzion 369. The 369 has an enclosed garage space of 11 feet, but also has the loft above the washer-dryer prep. A single living area slide contains the large sofa and fridge, opening up the living space to accommodate a large U-shaped campside kitchen. The living area entry sits between the kitchen and the swiveling entertainment center with the hidden pantry. Number 3 on our Fuzion toy hauler list is the Fuzion 373. Another very popular model, the 373 has an 11-foot enclosed garage area and the twin loft above the washer-dryer prep, but adds a few twists to the traditional toy hauler floor plan. First off, there is a half bath directly off the garage. Second, rather than having a kitchen island in the center between the opposing living area slides, the 373 has a table with swing-out stools. The opposing slides contain the large sofa on the camp side and the fridge and range opposite. An angled entertainment center is flanked by pantries. For entertainment, the 373 also gives you an additional TV in the garage space, plus an exterior TV. Next up is the maverick of the Fuzion line, the Fuzion 410. Decidedly non-traditional, the 410 moves the master bedroom to the rear and drops a toy box under the king bed. This box is large. It's approximately 9 feet by 5 feet by 7 feet, and it can fit a golf cart without any problems. The 410 has 4 slides: the standard wardrobe slide, a campside living area slide housing the freestanding dinette, and dual opposing slides up front with a pair of tri-fold sofas creating a front den. The front cap has an impressive entertainment center with an electric fireplace, and across from it sits theater seats. The L-shaped kitchen commands the entire off-campside center and includes a walk-in pantry. Back to the traditional toy hauler with a rear garage, we arrive at the Fuzion 419. The 419 is strikingly similar to the 373. A few things shift here and there, like the position of the kitchen sink, but the biggest difference is the 419 has 15 feet of enclosed garage space. With the next Fuzion, the 424, you'll get 13 feet of enclosed garage space, plus the half bath, garage TV, loft, etc. The living area is laid out very well in the Fuzion 424. The large kitchen sink is placed at an angle leading into the living area and sits across from the range and fridge, both which sit in a slide. The large sofa is on a slide on the off-camp side and sits across from the swiveling entertainment center with hidden pantry. The table with swing-out stools juts out from the campside wall. However, what really makes the Fuzion 424 shine is the side patio coming off the exterior with an entry from the living area. Like the 424, The next Fuzion, the Fuzion 427, also has 13 feet of enclosed garage space and all the goodies that come in a Fuzion garage. The half bath attached to the garage has been moved to the campsite and shares a wall with the entertainment center flanked by pantries. A campsite living area slide has the range and more pantry space, as well as houses an outdoor entertainment center that includes an LED TV and fridge. On the off-camp side, the living room slide contains the large sofa and fridge. The final Keystone Fuzion toy hauler is the Fuzion 429. In the 429, you'll find a 12.5-foot enclosed garage with all the Fuzion garage amenities. The garage half bath is campside and shares a wall with a pantry, kitchen counter, and large kitchen sink. The off-camp side living area slide is massive, pulling out the fridge, range, L-shaped counter space, and L-shaped sofa. Across from this, another sofa on a slide. A large entertainment center sits on an interior wall so you can easily kick back and relax after a long day. In the garage, you'll find double electric beds with dual opposing sofas, washer-dryer prep, and gas and oil resistant tough ply flooring. A Fuzion living area has residential style furniture with heated seats, USB ports, LED lights, and a massage feature. You'll also find an electric fireplace and stainless steel appliances with an impressive 18 cubic foot refrigerator. For entertainment, you'll get a premium Jensen Bluetooth compatible stereo with a DVD player, HD TV, soundbar, plus indoor-outdoor speakers, including Sony exterior speakers. Also on the exterior, you'll find a dual power awning with LED lighting, 6-point hydraulic auto level, 5,500 watt Onan generator. Keystone Fuzions have been specifically designed for you to have all the fun you want with your toys, but be able to relax in complete camp comfort when your day's activities are done. For you who love your toys, it's worth your while to take a look into the Keystone Fuzions.